If a is 2 root 6 plus 5, b is 2 root 6 minus 5, what is the value of this expression where n is positive integer? Okay, if we expand this expression first, that's a to the 16n minus 2 times a to the 8n, b to the 8n, plus square of b to the 8n, so b to the 16n. And if we expand this expression, that's a to the 16n plus 2 times a to the 8n, b to the 8n, plus b to the 16n. Now, if we subtract this expression from this expression, so subtract all of this expression, so these terms cancels out, b to the 16n cancels out. And this term minus this term is equal to negative 4a to the 8n, b to the 8n. So all of this expression is equal to this. Now, if we simplify this, we have power 8n, 8n, right? So that can be written as negative 4 times ab to the power of 8n. So all we have to do now is to find the value of ab. A times b is equal to 2 root 6 plus 5, 2 root 6 minus 5. So that is equal to 2 root 6 square minus 5 square. So 2 square 4 times root 6 square 6, 24 minus 25, that is equal to negative 1. So this expression is equal to negative 4 times negative 1 to the 8n. And since n is positive integer, we know that 8n is even integer. So this expression is always equal to 1. Therefore, the final answer is negative 4 times 1, that is negative 4.